Yo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time zone you may be residing in at the moment. I am John, co host of the Formula Podcast, and I just wanted to get something in right quick. I think we're going to call this What's the Word Wednesdays. So, the premise is I find stuff that, interests me and like news and stuff that interests me. And Jonathan will probably do some too. But yeah, I just want to go over some topics every now and then. So that's what's the word Wednesday is going to be about. And for this week, we are talking Confederate monuments. So Charlottesville, Virginia. Charlottesville, Virginia. I don't know if you remember Charlottesville, Virginia. They there was a rally back in 2017, I believe. Unite the Right rally. And that's where they had the tiki torches and um, they were chanting Jews would not replace us and things of that nature. And then at some point, um, a young lady was murdered at the rally. So that's Charlottesville, Virginia, if you guys don't remember. And so this is happening. They're laying the smackdown on Confederate monuments. I I have my take on it, but let's get into the article. All right, so I got this from NBC News, credit NBC News. It states during a special emergency meeting, Charlottesville City Council decided to take down Meriwether Lewis, William Clark, and Sacagawea statue. And that's not the only one they're taking down. Excuse me. They're also taking down, I believe they already took these down. They already, I believe that they already took these down maybe a few days ago. General Robert E. Lee statue and Stonewall Jackson. So they're taking down these monuments, Charlottesville, Virginia. Now, keep in mind, all right, so these monuments were put up 1919, 1921, and 1924. Mind you, Civil War, 1861, 1865. So it was quite some time after the Civil War where they put these up. Also, keep in mind, most of the monuments that were put up were erected during the Civil Rights era with a Kumiki Dink. So these monuments are being taken down. And I don't know. I it's like, okay. I mean, I don't have a problem with it, but I think there are more important things that we need to get to than these monuments. I just feel like some of you are probably gonna say, "Oh, it's a good start. Take down the monuments. It's a good start." I think I just don't believe that. I think that increasing the minimum wage will be a good start, and I'll probably do a what's the word Wednesday on that too. I think criminal justice reform might be a good start. Universal health care might be a good start. Universal child care might be a good start. Taking down a few statues doesn't really do anything for me. I need something more substantial than that. So I don't have a huge problem with it. I mean, either way, it doesn't really move me either way. I mean, I don't feel too strongly about these monuments in the first place. So if they're up, they're up. If they're down, they're down. They're probably gonna move them to a museum or something. I don't care what they do with these statues, to be honest. They could burn it. I don't care. So that's where I stand with it. This is probably going to be a trend, and they're going to take down more Confederate monuments. So let me know what you think about it. Do you agree? Do you feel like these monuments should be taken down? As far as the Confederate culture, other than these statues, I don't know anything about the Confederate culture. So someone could lighten me on that. If someone could educate me on that. What kind of food do you guys eat? Do you guys do could the- is does Confederate culture involve music, particular kind of music, particular kind of food? You guys do parades, any kind of carnival celebrations? I mean, I don't know anything about that culture. So if someone could educate me on that, because the only thing I know of is these statues. It's the only thing I know of. So if you want to preserve your culture, that's fine. You know, you could do it on your own time, right? In your own private property. That's fine. But if you're gonna have these statues in public places, someone's gonna feel a certain type of way about that. So that's what it is. While we're at it though, while we are at it, why stop at these Confederate monuments? I mean, why not why not take down the Michael Jordan statue? Is there a Michael Jordan statue somewhere? If there is, anywhere there's a Michael Jordan statue, we should take it down. I'm just saying. I'm not being a hater. Okay, I might be a hater. But yeah, we should take down we should take down Michael Jordan statues. Absolutely. I don't even know why you would make one of those, to be honest. And that's the New York Knicks fan speaking to you right now. That's what that is. So yeah, I'm a hater, but yeah, we should take down Michael Jordan statues. Matter of fact, why don't we get rid of the Statue of Liberty? Why do we do that? Get rid of the Statue of Liberty and replace the Statue of Liberty with a Patrick Ewing statue. A big, tall Patrick Ewing statue with his arms spread out, talking about, give me your poor, give me your hungry, give me your greatest athletes. And I think we'll be good to go. Just a thought. So anyway, that's all I wanted to get to. Confederate monuments, Charlottesville, Virginia, they taking them down. It's probably going to be a trend. I don't know how many monuments they have in Charlottesville, Virginia. In this article, they mentioned 3 of them. I don't know. Is that a lot? Is that a little? I don't know. Um, I as you probably know, we're in Charlotte. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. I haven't come across a whole lot of Confederate monuments that I know of in Charlotte. So, again, I don't have to deal with it on a daily, regular basis, as far as I know. So maybe that's why I'm not so passionate about this. But I think if you want to start somewhere, I don't think these monuments is where we should start. I think we have more important things to get after, and we have other issues that need to be dealt with. So let me know what you think. That's going to be it for me. Till next time, faith, dream, hustle, repeat. Deuces.